AirCannon. A storm in your hand. The ultimate 124 miles per hour forceful air blower. Imagine holding the power of a storm in your hand. That's exactly what the AirCannon offers. A revolutionary air blower that delivers an incredible 124 miles per hour blast of forceful air. Redefining what portable power can do. Unmatched power. With a staggering airspeed of 124 miles per hour. The AirCannon is engineered to tackle the toughest challenges effortlessly. Whether you need to clean debris, dry surfaces, or remove dust from hard-to-reach spaces, this device brings unparalleled force to your fingertips. Compact, portable design. Despite its immense power, the AirCannon is designed with convenience in mind. Its lightweight and ergonomic build make it easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. Carry it anywhere, from your garage to the outdoors, and experience powerful performance in a compact package. Versatile applications. The AirCannon isn't just an air blower. It's a multitasking powerhouse. Use it to clear leaves and debris from your yard. Blow away dust and dirt from electronics or delicate surfaces. Quickly dry vehicles, bikes, or outdoor furniture after washing. Keep your workspace clean and free of debris. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional cleaner, or just someone who appreciates efficiency, the AirCannon is the perfect tool to simplify your tasks. Efficient and eco-friendly. Unlike traditional blowers that rely on bulky, gas-powered systems, the AirCannon runs on a high-performance electric motor, offering a cleaner, greener alternative. Enjoy powerful air delivery without harmful emissions, making it both effective and environmentally conscious. Durable and built to last. Constructed with premium materials, the AirCannon is built for durability. Its robust motor and reinforced housing ensure reliable performance over time, no matter how demanding the job. Why choose the AirCannon? Unmatched air power. 124 miles per hour airspeed for unparalleled performance. Compact and lightweight. Easy to carry and use anywhere. Multi-purpose utility. Ideal for cleaning, drying, and more. Eco-friendly operation. No gas, no emissions. Just clean, powerful air. Durability you can trust. Built for heavy use and long-lasting performance. Take control of the storm. The AirCannon is more than a tool. It's a game changer. From cleaning to drying, it empowers you to handle tasks with precision, speed, and ease. Hold the power of a storm in your hand. Experience the AirCannon today.